Hello, Joe from Britcan Furnace Cleaning here to talk to you about what and how furnace and duct cleaning is done. Our last video, what goes into your humidifier, why it's important and how often it should be maintained. When we arrive at your home or place of business, we will introduce all the members of the team that will carry out the work. The system or systems will be test run and inspected prior to the start of work. We will establish the best route to run the hoses from the truck to the furnace, and waterproof drop sheets and corner guards are used where needed. All vents, including the cold air returns, basement vents and outside feeds will be covered or sealed, and the furnace main blower will be removed. Access points will be drilled or cut as needed. Heat exchangers and AC coils will be protected. The vacuum is applied to the ductwork and sealed using tarps. Then the vent cleaning begins from the top down using the power whip method. Where needed, a brush system can be used. Whilst this is happening, the technician will go over the billing for the job and any issues or problems found during the test run and inspection. Also, if needed, any improvements on indoor air quality products or the running of the system can be discussed then. When all vents have been cleaned and the main duct runs and plenums are cleaned, then the AC coils were fitted and heat exchangers are cleaned and checked from above and below. Then the furnace is cleaned and serviced including all the sensors and burners. The furnace is then reassembled and test run to ensure correct operation. Joe from Britcan Furnace Cleaning. Thanks for joining us, and in our next video we talk about what goes into the price of furnace cleaning, what you should expect and how we quote the work.